So today I'm going to show you how to make some donuts for your dramatic play area, and they are so simple. You do not need to know how to sew a single stitch, and these are so easy. You're going to love them. Here is what they look like when they're finished. Look at that! Just a perfect little donut. This one even has sprinkles. So I am going to show you how to do this. So to do this, you're just going to need a couple simple little supplies. You're going to need an old sock. If you're like me, you have tons of these mismatched socks in your house because somehow the sock monster comes and eats the other ones. So I have an entire basket full of these. So you'll need an old sock. You'll need some felt for your icing. You can have some kind of little beads for your sprinkles. You'll need a pair of scissors. You'll need a hot glue gun and some Kleenexes. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna wanna do with your old sock is to cut the end off of your sock like this. Okay, now you're going to take your sock and you're going to make it inside out. Then you're going to take this end and cuff it like this. So you have plenty of space to stuff your donut. Now you're going to take your Kleenexes you're going to ball them up, and you're just going to start stuffing around the rim like this. Okay, now once you feel like you've got it nice and stuffed, then you're really going to make sure that that sock is pulled tight through your donut. And then you're just going to work. Make sure that stuffing is all nice and safe in there. And then you're just going to kind of work the sock around the donut like this. Okay, make sure you like the shape. Just kind of work it in. Okay, and then you're going to tuck it in again. Okay, then you're gonna pull it tight because you want it to go around that donut one more time. This sock has kind of lost a little of its elastic, so it's not wanting to stretch real well, but we'll get it. We got it, I think. As long as it doesn't slip. Okay, so now that we have our donut pretty much in the shape that we want it, we're going to reinforce that with some hot glue. Okay, now we're just gonna take our felt, put your donut down on the felt, and you're going to trace around the center and around the outside. Okay, you can see that? Then you're going to make make it look more icing-ish. So that's it, you guys. Making pretend donuts for your dramatic play area is as simple as that. So go find yourself some old socks, some felt, and some beads, hot glue gun, scissors, and you'll be ready to make your own pretend donuts.